Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to learn about how to make a logout button or a logout system in Laravel. Okay, so guys, right now for admin we don't have any logout button as he logs in inside this, and then he don't have any logout button to log out from here, right? So guys, now we will make a logout button for him and where he can click and log out through it. So guys, we'll complete that in this video. And yes guys, let's get started with this. So first we will create a drop down thing over here. Okay, so as this same design we will try to keep this, and we will use a drop down. So as for designing purpose, we'll go to getbootstrap.com or md bootstrap, whichever you're comfortable with it. So guys, let's search drop down. So you'll find drop down, and let's see below. So here some of the designs are provided. I mean, this is provided, so let's copy this or click to copy this clipboard. Copied, and let's get back to this nav bar. Okay, so this is admin nav bar. So guys, let's go to resource views. Inside layouts we have include folder inc where we have kept that admin nav bar. Okay, simple. So guys, right now we have here this md github. Okay, so we'll paste below that. Let me close this one. Okay, so this is the drop down we just now copied from the website, bootstrap website, and we will try to integrate this same design, this same output, and we will use that. So as for that, we have to copy this class and cut and include in this class. Okay, drop down toggle, let this be, because this is matching with some jQuery functions. So let's leave that and paste this one. Okay, and let's comment this for right now, and let me see the output for it. So guys, it is in the li tag, inside li tag. Let's reload the page. So let's reload. After reloading, you can see something like this. Click on it, boom. So you can see some drop down, nice drop down options. So guys, we will make this as normal username or admin name we can fetch over here. So guys, let us fetch the admin name in a simple manner. We'll just use a open curly braces where auth colon user of its name. That's it. First name will fetch and ignore it. If you want the second name also, just concatenate with that and call the same auth user, where you are going to get the last name from your database. Give a space in this. That's it. And now this action will be my profile. So in next video we'll be learning about this profile and updating profile, admin profile. Okay, and user profile will be from the user side, that will be learning in more future videos. And here some will keep my profile, and other option we'll just mention now, and the final one will be logout. So guys, now we will see the output first and then do the logout function for this using it. Cool. So guys, you can see as with Prakash here, profile, other options, and logout button is shown now. So for this we will start with that and complete it. So as you can see, when you install the Laravel, the login system, everything, that time you get a logout button in your home page. So we will copy that same thing. So I'm going to remove this, which we have commented, just simply kept that. So let's ignore this now, and here guys, let's open this. So you can see app file, app.blade.php file, that is Laravel default thing which they gave, and here is the thing for copying it. Simple. So this is the drop down button, logout button for it. So guys, we'll just copy this and yeah, copy and go to your admin and paste over here below this a tag. Simple. So let me arrange this very clear, and need to remove this logout, which we at last we updated. That's it. No confusion, no doubt. We can use the Laravel default logout system thing and save with it. So let me save it and let's reload the page. Control R. So after that we will click on this and you can see logout button. So let me click on this logout and we will be logged out successfully. Okay. So let's click on logout. So once we log out, it's redirected to home page. We are successfully logged out. Okay. So we will try to access dashboard without logging in dashboard. It will tell to login. Good. So now we will log in as admin with at gmail.com 1234567 So let me log in now. So we have successfully logged in as an admin. Okay, done. So guys, now we have completed that how to make a logout system using the Laravel functions itself and other things. So guys, in next video I'll be learning about how to make a profile page for admin profile. Okay, so adding that profile and many things, editing his address and updates and all. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.